Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to recover deleted Facebook posts. If you have recently deleted your Facebook post and you change your mind, in order to recover it, you have to log in into your Facebook account first of all. So once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, all you have to do is just tap the tab bar icon and go to the settings page, and then it's going to take you to this sort of field where you have to scroll down and head over to the section of your information. So click on access your information and click the continue button in order to proceed on to the next step. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the continue button and wait for the field. So here you need to go click on download or transfer the information, and make sure to unmark all of those accounts that you actually don't need the information for and tap the next button. Now here you need to specify what sort of information do you want and click on specific type, and after that you need to select the category as well, and once you've done that, you need to click the next button. On the other field, it's going to ask you to create a file, which you have to wait for it. You'll be notified with a statement that your data has been restored, and in order to access them you have to type in the password or verify your identity. Then you'll be able to recover your deleted Facebook post. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.